Socializing 79. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the good things a famous person who passed away did, and those who praised them. It is important for Muslims to understand that when they treat others kindly, it in reality benefits themselves. This is because treating others kindly has been commanded by Allah, the Exalted, and fulfilling this important duty gains one reward. In addition, when one is kind to others, they will supplicate for them while they are alive, which will benefit them. For example, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6929, that a supplication done for a person in secret is always answered. The one who is kind to people is often aided by others in their time of need. Simply put, how one treats others is how they are treated by people. In addition, the people will supplicate for them after they pass away, which is definitely answered, as it has been recorded in the Holy Quran. Chapter 59 Al-Hash, verse 10.
Saying, Our Lord forgive us and our brothers who preceded us in faith.
Finally, a person who treated others kindly will gain their intercession on the Day of Judgment, which is a day people will be desperate for the intercession of others. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 7439. But those who mistreat others, even if they fulfill their duties towards Allah, the Exalted, will miss out on the benefits mentioned earlier. And on Judgment Day, they will find that Allah, the Exalted, will not forgive them until their victim forgives them first. If they choose not to, then the oppressor's good deeds will be given to their victim, and if needed, the victim's sins will be given to their oppressor. This may cause the oppressor to be hurled into hell. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6579. Therefore, a Muslim should be kind to themselves by being kind to others, as in reality, this leads to their own benefit in both worlds. Chapter 29 Al-Ankabut, verse 6.
And whoever strives only strives for the benefit of himself.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.